In this video, we're going to show you how you can save an Instagram story to your gallery. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for even more tips like this. There are two ways to download your story, whether it's still in draft already or it's live. Watch through the video to see both methods. The first method is simply saving before posting it. Create your story as usual, and once you're on this page right here, before tapping post, simply tap the three dots in the top right hand corner and find the save option. Just simply go ahead and select save, and the story is now going to be directly saved to your gallery. Now after posting, you're going to want to go ahead and open up your active story. To do that, click on your profile icon way up here, and then go ahead and find more, which is going to be in the bottom right corner. Open that up, and you should see an option that says save or save story. This is going to download the entire story to your gallery. But that's it. Now your Instagram stories are safely stored on your device. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for even more quick Instagram tutorials. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.